Hello children, be ready with your English notebook and pencil for today's written work. In this video, I will teach you how to write V, W, X, Y and Z in capital cursive handwriting. So, let's begin. Children, in the previous videos, you all have learned how to write these letters. Now, children, see very carefully. Put your pencil on the second line and then drag it to the top line. Then come to the third line and touch it here and then go up to the top line and make a loop there. This is V. Now put your pencil on the second line and take that slanting line to the top line and make a V. Just now you have learnt how to make a V, capital V. Like that only, from that V, make another V. Okay? And go on the top line and make a loop there. This is W. This is what, children? W. Your hand, put your pencil on the second line and then from that second line, children, make a reverse C. Okay? From that C, children, you have to make a proper capital cursive C like this, and this will be X. Once again, put your pencil on the second line and then from that second line, take a slanting line, children, and make just like U. Okay? Now, from here, from the top line, children, you have to come on the fourth line here. Now, let's come on the fourth line here, and then here you have to curve it like a loop, and this loop will cut from the third line. This is Y. After Y, children, now make Z. From the second line only, take a slanting line, take it to the third line, but don't touch here, children. Okay? You will not touch here, and from here only you will curve it on the fourth line and then make a loop. This is Y, Z. After writing date and CW, all of you start writing VWXYZ. Now, the first letter you will write here. How you will write this? See, children. First of all, put your pencil on the second line and then go on the top line, red line, and take that line to the third line and then go back to the top line and make a loop there. This is V. This is V. After V, we will make W. For W, again take one slanting line towards the top line and come down to the third line, and then from there only go on the top on the first line, and then from here only, children, you have to come down again on the third line and then go again to the top line, red line, and make a loop there. This is W. This is V. This is W. Now after W, all of you make X. For X, you have to make a reverse C. For C only, you have to put your pencil on the second line, and from there you have to make a reverse C. Put it here. Now from here only, take your pencil towards the top line and make a proper C here. This will be X. Now after X, all of you make Y. For Y, once again put your pencil on the second line. Now take that line to the third line. go towards the top line, and then from there only come slowly on the fourth line, touch it on the red line, and then make a loop here. This is Y. After Y, here only you will make Z. From the second line only, take this stroke like this, and here children, you will not touch, and from here once again curve it. Now touch it to the fourth line, red line, and make a loop here. This is Z. Like this only you will write V, W, X, Y and Z. Once again practice with me children. From the second line, on the second line you will put your pencil and come down to the third line and then go on the top line and make a loop. This is V. Now for W also, put your pencil on the second line, then take a slanting line, go towards to the top line, then come on the third line, then again go here on the top line, then come down to the third line, then again go to the top line and make a loop. This is W. Now for X, from the second line only, make a slanting line, make a reverse C, एक उल्टे C जैसा बनाएं और उसी उल्टे C में से एक सीधा C बनाएं और इसे यहाँ टच कर दें. Touch it here. This will be X. Now after X, for Y, again put your pencil on the second line, take a slanting line, come down to the third line, go on the top line, on the red line, and then from there slowly come down and touch it on the fourth line and make a loop here. This is Y. After Y, from the second line, Z will be written like this only. From the second line, you will make a slanting line and come down, down, here near this blue line, but don't touch here on the blue line. Come down here, little upward of the blue line, and then from there only curve it and make a loop. This is Z. I hope you will do this work very nicely and neatly, very properly. Okay children? V, W, X, Y, Z. Practice it nicely. Children, for doing this work, you have to pay attention little. Like, every letter will be started from second line. इन लेटर्स को लिखने में आपको एक चीज़ का ध्यान रखना है बच्चों, सभी लेटर्स सेकेंड लाइन से ही शुरू होंगे. V, W, X, Y, Z. All letters will be started from second line only. From the second line only. And you have to, I have written only 2 lines here, but you will write the full page like this. You have to write the full page like this. V, W, X, Y, Z.